Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm doing another install. It's going to be the Advanblack Lower Fairings. So let's see what came in the box. So as you can see, I have one of the lower fairings. This is actually the one for the left side, which the vent will be closest to the engine. Also, you get a box of parts that come with the lower fairings, and you have some brackets for the lower part of the engine guard and some rubber washers and so forth, nuts, bolts, and a cool little sticker. The one thing you'll notice that's not on this table is instructions. There are no instructions. You've probably watched a lot of the sick baggers videos on Advanblack. You'll have to go to their channel and see how to install this. But let's go ahead and get into it. First thing we got to do is open the glove box here, and you'll see there is a nut down in there. That is a 10 millimeter. So got a 10 millimeter socket, an extension. Turn that up sideways just to get this cap off, and there you have it. Also, this is charcoal pearl, and the color is just, it looks dead on to me. But won't really know until it's on the bike. But I mean, just looking at it and putting it up close to the bike, I mean, it's just pretty much dead on. And you'll see here there is a bracket where, you know, this will how you'll hold the lower fairing on from the upper crash bar, and this is 10 millimeter as well. Go ahead and take that off. You'll notice there's no like protective, like rubber or anything to protect that, scratch up your crash bar. So what I did is I bought some felt paper, and I'm going to place it right on there just to help protect the crash bar. And yeah, this is going to be covered up anyway. Once you put this decorative cap on, you're not going to see that anyway. So this is like a sticky piece of felt, which will help keep it on there. Like so. I'll also be doing the other one like that. Just a quick tip. All right, so now I'm going to slide the left lower fairing onto the engine guard. And I'm going to be putting the bracket on right now. I'm just gonna put these on hand tight, and hopefully this doesn't fall off. All right, so now I have to attach the lower bracket. So I'm going to kind of just pop it on like so. You're going to take your washer, send it through, and place your rubber washer here. All like so. And Oops. Put your nut on. Now, I'm not going to tighten this up, obviously. I want to make some adjustments to make sure it looks okay. All right, as you can see, I've gotten that bolted down. I put a little bit of blue Loctite on it, and it is secured at the bottom. And secured here. So now it's time for the beauty cap, so to speak. And you'll notice there's this little notch. There's a hole on the side of the lower fairing. You'll see it right here. That needs to go right into that slot. And of course, make sure there's no lines and everything is smooth across. Everything looks pretty clean. Again, the 10 millimeter. I'm able to, you might have difficulty putting this in, but I am able to stick my hand and use my fingers to get the bolt started. 10 millimeter socket with an extension. And do not get this super tight. Hand tight is good. That will work. And that completes the installation for the left lower fairing. Just kind of see how the paint matches. Again, you have a glove box, and you can get like the glove box compartments. I'm thinking about doing that, put one in there so I can put stuff in it, but that's later down the road. And of course you have the vents, so I will probably keep that open most of the time, but obviously if it's windy. This is mainly going to be used for, you know, those cold days. Where I'm at, we get plenty of cold days, so this will help keep my feet warm. I'm hoping, you know, the wind from riding, and of course you got bugs, you got rain. So I'm not going to show you the other side. I'm going to go ahead and put that on real quick and we can see what they both look like.